Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Good afternoon, everyone. So today, I've just been editing, but I just received my new mouthpiece and I thought I would check it out. So the first thing I'm going to do, this is the Wedge mouthpiece, and I had a personalized fitting done, and so just get this thing open here. Don't need that. All right, so the Wedge comes in a nice box, has its own pouch. Looks like I have my own personalized number on it. Open it up, and the few things I'm going to tell you before this has not been used at all. First thing I'm going to tell you is that I got the 5G large bore shank, which is the equivalent to my 5G Bach that I've been using for 26, 27 years. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to blow through each just to check for responsiveness. And I like this mouthpiece so much that when I played euphonium in a college band, I did not use the mouthpiece that came with it. I used this one. So that's how loyal I've been to this one. Okay. And whenever you use mouthpiece, hold it like this. You don't want to hold like that. You don't want pressure into your face. A little more freedom on this one. Not much, but very subtle. Now I'm just going to do a little bit of buzzing and see what we get. Okay, so those seem to be pretty similar in that regard. I'm going to put the Wedge onto the platform there. I'm just going to do a basic warm-up exercise. Switch these out. Now, one of the reasons when I did the fitting for the Wedge that I had an issue was not with my top notes, but more when I got into the pedal notes and the low E flats. Those pedal notes never worked quite right for me, but I was always playing higher stuff, so it wasn't too much of a concern. And then when I was on just surfing through stuff, came across the Wedge, I thought, let's give that a try, because the guy I talked to said, this will help. It's the first note I've ever played with this mouthpiece. Shorter than. start on B flat, and let's see if I can do a low B flat scale. That's working nicely. Alright, so my lower range is working a little bit nicer. I'm still losing the pedals. I need to practice those a little bit. Alright, now let's check our top stuff. Alright, that was an air issue. And I'm still flat. I think how the shanks are the same size. I'm so much flatter on that one. Bring that in. Ah, there we go. Oh, it's definitely nicer on the lower notes. The higher notes, I'm not seeing much of a difference. Alright, so topping off on the F there, let's... Getting up to high A, maybe a high B flat there. I'm liking the responsiveness of this. I'm going to give it a try, and I think I'm going to start it with a fun duet. Thanks for watching. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.